In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your Samsung keyboard. Now, to learn how the Clipboard works, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard icon available at the top and tap on your text over here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, you need to hold it and tap on pin icon at the top right corner. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, you need to hold it as well, but this time use pin icon next to the pin one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete text on the go but don't exit Clipboard, use this icon at the bottom right corner. To go back to standard keyboard, use this one at the top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!